So we have arrived at Clinton's house. So he lives in one house and he rents the other house out as an investment. Look at this house. How nice is this? So checking out this other house. Someone's got a race car opposite here, a 200 FX. Oh, the dogs. The dogs. They're wild. She.
It's a very nice color, chocolate color.
Alright, let's check out the home. Oh man, look at this. Oh hey, pup. Nice couch, a little den area. Toys, TV, hangout. Big living space. Dog. Calm down, puppy. Calm down. Doggo. Have a look. Right, here's the new bedroom. Ceiling light and fan. Big cupboard, and you can see out here is the backyard. So let's keep having a look. Let's check it out. Big bathroom that, with a nice bath. That's lovely actually. That is really nice. Then we've got another bedroom here. So this is looking like the spare room at the moment. Very much like the other bedroom there. So I'll just show you the cupboard, big cupboard. Yep. Let's keep going. Yeah, that big bathroom. Nice bath, that's for sure. Look at that. Great. Like the fans, that's nice. Got the natural air. So you've got the den there as well. There's another bedroom, so this must be the son's bedroom. It's a bit messy. Please excuse.
Hey, the Gundams are the...
Yeah, that's cool, man. Yeah, that's a nice cabinet. And the garage, big garage here. And room for a laundry at the back and 2 cars and maybe some motorbikes. Entry. And the master bedroom. So it's at the front, it's got a nice view. You could even put a nice seat there and open the window and make it like... You could even extend it and add a deck there, really, if you'd like to. I like the master. It's a nice setup. Look at that.
And then the bathroom.
Yep. Big walk-in robe. It's lovely. And an ensuite. Yeah, it's really quite nice, isn't it? Absolutely. I'm going to show you the back space. So big area for a barbecue. Could even add a plunge pool there. He's got some darts there, and I was just saying to Clinton, actually I found, what I was saying to Clinton is I found a pool table for free. We just had to pick it up for free. And it would have been perfect out here. I mean, he's already got darts. The pool table belongs right here. Look at this space. It's perfect for a pool table. Let me show you. Okay, so let's have a look. That's where the barbecue is. And you've got this actual backyard here as well. So you've got a lot of room for the dogs just to run around. That's great. Okay, you've got these planter boxes. And let's come back into the corner here. Right, and you can actually get a better view of the backyard. And that deck, imagine half that deck, that outdoor area, undercover outdoor area, could have a big pool table. That would be perfect. That would be fun. Yeah, it's a lovely house.
So the extras I did, I combined the bathroom and the toilet.
Yep.
To make it one room, tiled it to the top, indent the shower, ceilings to the thing.
And then you got your beautiful wife, so recently married. So happily married?
Yeah, extremely.
The front of the house. Nice big driveway. And good street appeal. There's a cool car this guy's got opposite. 200 SX. Very cool. So down here at the local shops, Arian's just bought some Japanese food and my friends are getting Indian. So they've got a Woolworths, they've got places to sit, It's a nice little area actually here at the shops just locally in Pimpama. Cafes, kebab shop, chemist, you know, everything you need is down here in Pimpama Central, and just these small shops for now until the biggest mall in the southern hemisphere has opened. And you can see across the way here there is another development. I think this one is actually called Pimpama Central by Alchemy. BWS for liquor, bakery, local bakery. The statue here, it's interesting actually. Yeah, a whole lot of shops up there, a few arcades. And this one down here, which is just mainly restaurants really. Just waiting for my friend and the Indian food. That's what we're doing. Family pack for $39, Chinese food. And we're running with Indian tonight, Bombay Bliss. Thanks for watching, and please do share and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye bye.